If you've been looking through the compile customization options in Scrivener 3 for Windows, you may have noticed something I haven't talked about before. Actually, there are lots of things I haven't talked about. Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm talking about default paragraphs in ebooks in Scrivener 3 for Windows. When you create an ebook, the paragraph indent is set automatically, but you can change the default without having to change it in all the separate layouts. This will require creating your own format in Compile, because it won't change the standard settings for all formats. Then click onto one of the section layouts in the window. In the list down the bottom, you'll find an option to change the default paragraphing. When you click this, it takes you to another window, which is actually the CSS option down the left-hand side. Here you can alter the size of the indent for all your section layouts in this format. Make your change and save, and you'll see the change reflected in the central Assign Layouts panel. For more about changing ebook defaults, check out this video here.